weeks from tonight. 7:05 first pitch against the Erie Seawolves. This pitch lined into left center. Base hit for Domínguez, rolling in the gap. Holland goes to chase it down on the warning track. Domínguez goes into second base with a one-out double. And for Domínguez, that extends his on-base streak to a season-best 15 games. 19 for 63 in that span. And Domínguez is at second base with one out in the third. Dion's pitch. Sharp ground ball in the hole. Sliding stop by Tolentino. One hop throw to first, skips past ball, and to the Somerset dugout. Ball gathers it. First five tonight. 1-0. Tolentino lines it out to left field. Domínguez drifts back and has it for the final out of the sixth. Left twitch comes set. His pitch. Domínguez lifts in the air to right field, sending Cox back at the track. Looks up, and it is off the wall. Domínguez heading for second. Burt scores. Torrealba behind him. Jasson Domínguez. It's a two-run double, giving Somerset the lead 2-0 in the top of the ninth.